Yes! My Grandma Shark's tablet I'm going to kitchen then put in microwave. Yes, now I'm at kitchen. Time to put this crap tablet in microwave. Set time to 79:00 minutes. Yay! I put my Grandma Shark's tablet in microwave. Oh no! What have I done? The microwave blew up. I am in big trouble. What's that smell? I better get to the kitchen. What did you do with Grandma Shark's tablet? Well, I put it in the microwave then blew it up. What? Baby Shark. How dare you put Grandma Shark's tablet in the microwave then blow it up? Now she has to pay $99. This tablet costs $99. That's it, you are grounded for 4 years.